Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker mac and cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 1 pound box of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of evaporated milk, 3 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. You want to make sure you shred your own cheese. 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want to cut them into equal cubes. 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and I have a teaspoon of salt. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add a couple pinches of salt. Then we're going to add in our elbow macaroni. I'm going to go ahead and stir it right away. Now we're going to let it cook until it's al dente. And you just want to take 2 minutes off of the instructions on the box. Okay guys, once your elbow macaroni is done cooking, you want to turn off the heat, and we're going to drain it of all water. Then you want to make sure you rinse it with cold water. Okay guys, you can go ahead and melt your 8 tablespoons of butter. Now to my slow cooker, I added in my elbow macaroni. Now I'm going to begin to sprinkle in my cheese. Once you've added all your cheese, you just want to go in and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our evaporated milk, our melted butter, now we're going to put our seasonings. Got my garlic powder, my smoked paprika, ground black pepper, onion powder, our ground mustard, and our salt. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. It's well combined. We're going to add in our cream cheese cubes. Now we're going to mix it one more time until everything is well combined again. You can go ahead and place your lid over top, and we're going to set it on low for 2 hours. Guys, you want to stir every 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is after a half hour. You can see the cheese is getting nice and melty. Okay guys, so it's been 2 hours. Looks delicious. I'm going to go ahead and mix the macaroni. As you can see, everything is melted all the way through. Okay guys, so here we have it, our slow cooker mac and cheese. Look how creamy that is, and it tastes delicious. And guys, this makes 6 to 8 servings. And to store it, you want to put it in an airtight container, and it'll last up to 4 days in the fridge. All you want to do is add a little bit of milk to it when you reheat it to get that creamy texture back. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?